Welcome to the Crypto Market Minute. I'm Doug. Let's get to the charts.
Starting with Bitcoin, you can see that we're trying to get a little bit of a bounce here this morning. The reason that we are doing this, obviously, every day, right, is we're trying to get information.
They're experts, Bob!
And we have been, obviously, in a downtrend for 6 months. That means that we know that we are closer to a bottom and a turn than we are to the top, right? Because we've been trading down for several months. So we're looking for clues as to what to guide our actions, right? We're looking for clues of a turn so that we can begin purchasing, buying, accumulating, whatever our particular trading strategy is.
Show me the money! I need to feel you, Jerry! Show me the money! Jerry, you better yell! Show me the money!
Starting with Bitcoin here, you can see we're trying to hold here. That doesn't mean that this is the bottom, but obviously we got to keep these things in mind. So for additional clues, let's look at some other areas to see what's going on.
Quit squawking, fleshwad. Nobody's forcing you to buy anything.
As we know, Cardano is in this little head and shoulders pattern here. It is still holding up, trying to get some green bars to push above, but we haven't broken anything yet. So that's not really giving us a whole lot of different information. Let's look at some gaming coins.
Oh, do you know how to play, Rufus? Well, I play a little.
Now this is sand, and actually it's putting in an inverse head and shoulders. So we've had this thing, it broke down, it popped right back up into this range, which is a generally bullish type sign of a bottom. So we're seeing a little bit of life come into the gaming sector, whereas Bitcoin and Cardano were still kind of holding at the bottoms weekly.
Look, it's moving. It's alive. It's alive. It's moving. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
This is Monero, which is a privacy coin, and you can see it hasn't really fallen apart over the last 6 months the same way that the other markets have. It's kind of held up a little bit better. You can see that over the last few months we've had a significant sell-off, but it looks like we've had this dramatic sell-off. We have bounced, we put in a higher low, and it looks like it's about to break and try to get into this these cleaner candles here and make a run higher. So it's looking a little bit more bullish.
I could so easily be misinterpreted.
This is PancakeSwap, which is a DeFi platform. Obviously it's down here at the lows, so it's not showing that much life, but we can begin to see as we look across these different areas a few green shoots. So you're beginning to see a little bit of life showing up here that may be indicating that we're getting ready to turn or at least halt this sell-off. So these are the types of things that we need to be keeping our eyes on.
Well, that's all for this morning. As always, remember to like and subscribe. And of course, if you have questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. We'll see you back here on The Grasp.